Yes, plus 2 class students, good day to all. I hope that you all are properly utilizing this COVID-19 period. You are not wasting your time sitting idle at home and properly understanding the points which are explained to you in all the subjects and all the videos. I am here Amritpal Singh once again to teach you economics online. We are discussing the macroeconomics topics in these days and we are at chapter number 1, the introductory part. Only few videos are left for this introductory part. Here we are going to discuss a very brand new and fresh topic which is related to the concept of stock and flow. Today we are going to discuss these topics. So some part I have written here and then after pausing the video some another part will be discussed to you. Now let's dive in. We have stock and flow. What is the meaning of stock and flow? We are going to discuss it with the help of some differences. So while discussing this question, we can aware that for the examination point of view, 3 questions we are going to prepare. Number 1, stock. For example, if the board question comes that define stock, you can write these points. If the question comes define flow, you can write these points. And if question comes like difference between stock and flow, so that already we are having in this manner. Okay, so stock and flow. So basically stock is related to a particular point of time, a particular point of time. For example, I say that in the session 2017 and 18 there are 50 students, there were 50 students in plus 2 class. So it is referring to stock. For example, I say that there are 500 mobile phones in a showroom. So I am talking about stock, a particular पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कि इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पर हमारे पास कितना स्टॉक है. ओके, easy to understand. And flow, it is a quantity measured at a specific period of time. Period, for example, per day, per week, daily, weekly, monthly, annually. So that is which is continuously going on. For example, I say that there are 500 mobile phones in a showroom. That is a stock. But if I say that daily I am selling 20 phones, daily I am selling 20 phones, what does it mean? It means I am talking about a flow concept. So you can understand stock is a particular point of time, flow at particular period of time, per day, per hour, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, semi-annually, etc. Next, this is an example. For example, on 10th September 2019 my savings are 1 lakh rupees. So at 10th September 2019 my savings are 1 lakh rupees. And flow per day, per income. For example, one person says my per day income is 2000 rupees. I earn 2000 rupees daily. I earn 30,000 rupees per month. 30,000 rupees per month. So that becomes flow. And here at a particular point of time we are having the savings, which is a stock concept. Now it is not time dimensional. It is not time dimensional. We cannot specify a particular time dimension here. But here in the concept of flow, it is time dimensional. It is time dimensional. Again I am repeating, per hour, daily, weekly, annually, monthly, etc. Okay, I hope that you all are getting. It is an important concept. It influences the flow. It makes an impact on flow. Greater the stock, greater will be the flow. For example, if there is a showroom in which there are only 20 mobile phones, so the flow will be reduced. They cannot sell more than 20 mobiles. Why? Because the stock is only of 20 mobiles. But if a showroom is having 20,000 mobile phones of different varieties, so they can sell per day, let's say 500 mobile phones they are daily selling. That we are going to discuss. So here it influences the stock. It influences the stock. For example, monthly increase in salary will help to generate more income, which will help for the more stock, more value of stock. For example, a person who is earning 1 lakh rupees per month. So 1 lakh rupees per month is a flow. But at the end of this year he will be having 12 lakh rupees in his account. So 12 lakh rupees on 1st January 2020 will be stock. So it influences stock, influences the flow influences the stock. So now everybody, you can pause the video. We will discuss some more examples of stock and flow, and I can understand this is little bit deeper concept. So differentiate all these concepts you can see on the blackboard. Pause the video here students, and then we will discussing the examples.